Now, wait a minute. Now, we was talking Westbrook earlier. Yeah, I hit a nerve.
Small.
Yeah, I hit a nerve. Ah,
I love it.
Yeah, so you have something to say?
Nah, I ain't got nothing to say about the homie Westbrook.
Come on,
You trying to play me? That's crazy. You trying to play me? Nah, that's the homie. I love Westbrook.
Just because he's from out here, I don't get nervous.
I didn't think it was gonna be well, of course it's not gonna be a perfect fit. I mean, maybe it will be, but I didn't think it was gonna be. I guess a natural fit. I guess, but I mean, it's just preseason right now. We about to get into regular season. We 0-6 in the preseason, but I mean, I don't really mean nothing.
0-6, huh?
I Westbrook. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a Westbrook fan. On the Lakers, I didn't really see that happening, but but he's here. Yeah.
Ah, man, I was
we finna get this, bro. It's a ring in our horizon. I swear to you.
I can't even argue. Look, I'm not a huge Westbrook fan. If you've seen my other sports videos, you know damn well I'm not a LeBron fan by any means either. And then you had what's his name on there in 2020, Dwight Howard.
You're a hater.
Another one, you know what I mean?
Who's your team?
Me?
Yes.
LA.
Of course.
Not the Clippers, baby. I'm a Laker fan, baby. I'm a Laker fan.
Man, you can't hate on Bron. Bron the GOAT. You gotta give it.
Man, don't go there, man.
But you gotta give it up to Bron.
Let's not have that conversation.
But you gotta give it up to Bron.
Yeah, he's a king.
Man,
I give him that title. He's a king. He's done something that no other GOAT has ever done before. Look at all the GOATs.
Exactly.
He's done something that no other GOAT has done, right? You could argue there's 2-3 GOATs, right?
There's probably a couple more, but
But
you're gonna say MJ, you're gonna say Kobe, of course.
MJ, Kobe.
And you're gonna say Bron.
I'm not gonna say.
Oh no, can't forgive Kareem.
I wouldn't give him that title though, but you know what I mean. For me, honestly, it's just Jordan and Kobe. To be honest, that's the only two that I put up there. But anyways,
Lakers doing good.
LeBron is a king. LeBron is awesome.
I didn't expect us to get Russell. He on our team now. I'm with it because I am a Russell fan. I love Russell. I love his. I love Russell. I fuck with Russell.
I'm glad he's on our team.
His attitude, all that shit, his tenacity, his aggressiveness. I love it. That shit hard. I fuck with it.
He ain't here. You know that, right?
I know.
He ain't gonna pop out.
I'm a Laker fan, though. I'm a Laker fan,
You gotta worry about it.
I fuck with Russell. This is what I'm saying.
You gotta worry about it. He ain't back here, though.
I'm a Laker fan, man. Let's get it. We about to get this chip.
Were we recording earlier? Because I want everybody to know what he said off camera.
We finna get this chip, is what I know.
Okay. So let me ask you a question, though. What were you saying off camera? Come on, dude.
I remember.
Let's say.
I remember. But I know. Us Lakers gonna ride. You rolling
I heard
with
something.
us. You rolling with
I think
us.
you said something about he was how Houston knew what pitch was coming.
No, I don't know.
Damn. Those of y'all that didn't get that garbage.
No, I ain't say that. I fuck with Russell. I'm thinking about getting a jersey. I ain't gonna hold you. I always wanted the
I got to connect on jerseys, right?
Just telling me. I always wanted that navy blue Russell jersey from Thunder. That shit was fire. I always wanted that one with the Thunder going down.
Why the Thunder?
Because that was fire. That's when he was playing at the time, and that jersey was fire. It was like navy blue and had like Thunder going down. That shit was fire. But I do need a new Laker jersey.
Let me find out.
And I'm thinking I'm gonna get a Bron number 6. I think I'm gonna get Bron number 6.
Actually, a jersey that I do want is the LeBron purple pinstripe.
Fire.
Purple pinstripe.
Big fire.
Yeah. Purple pinstripe. So, like I said, not a LeBron fan. Definitely not a Westbrook fan. Could care less about AD, but I do want a LeBron jersey.
Who's your
purple
favorite
pinstripe?
player then?
Huh?
Good question. Great question.
Because
he just ripped the whole squad. Like, what is he talking about right now?
I know, right?
He doesn't like LeBron.
Do you like Giannis?
AD.
No, right now I'm digging Nick Van Axel.
I feel it.
Why do D-Block look like your pops? Yeah, I know, right? You do. He look like that's funny, huh? Yeah, my pops looks like Vlade Divac. But
wait, but who your favorite player right now though? Like You don't like AD. You don't like LeBron. Who you like right now, though? Who you got? Kind of got an eye on. Like, you know, I kind of like how that young boy ball. Who you got? I mean, we got Melo on our team. You don't like Melo?
Yeah, I've always been a Melo fan.
Okay, boom.
Yeah, I've always been a Melo fan. You know, so I've always wanted Garnett and Melo to be and actually Steve Nash. We got Steve Nash. Now we got Melo. We never got Garnett.
Oh, you want KG to be a
I was, you know, for whatever. Man.
I'm surprised we got Rondo. I ain't gonna hold you.
That would have been great, man. Nah, man, that would have been great, dude. But you know, I was always a Kevin Garnett fan. I love Kevin Garnett the way he plays. I always wanted him to be a Laker. Unfortunately, he ended up in Boston. But current players, man. Alex Caruso, bro. That's about it. Let it be known, dog.
Caruso be jamming. He do be jamming. He with Chicago right now.
That's it, dog. Nah,
hey, that Chicago team look kind of nice. I'm gonna be watching them. They look pretty nice. They got Lonzo. They got Caruso. They got Zach.
No, I guess if
kind of nice squad.
If I had to pick a player, I guess it would be Westbrook. To be honest. Wow. Yeah, I honestly, man, dude, the potential's there. Melo's old, but the potential's there.
I heard that earlier. People keep talking about that age shit.
Yeah, man, that should slow you down like a motherfucker.
I heard that earlier. People keep talking about that age shit.
Me and my brother-in-law was playing basketball the other day. He was playing basketball, right?
Yeah.
And then somebody walked up to him. I think was it Isaac? Somebody said, "Hey, are you okay?" He looked at me and goes, "Hell no, man."
Straight up, he ain't even lie. He ain't
I started laughing because I wasn't okay.
No.
Oh, you was there. You was playing. Yeah, man. You know, it's been a long time. You know that age, man. That ain't no joke.
Step two. And that's Russell Westbrook shit. Why not? That's crazy.
Yeah. So who they running with? They got Rondo back too?
We got Rondo on the squad. We got Melo. We got
what's our starting lineup?
Well, I'm not sure yet because
it's gonna be Westbrook.
Yeah, Westbrook gonna be starting.
Point.
I believe. Yeah.
You got LeBron, AD. But AD's not gonna be their center, right? Or AD their power forward or the center?
He gonna go back and forth, right? But he gonna play both.
They got Howard back.
We got Dwight Howard. He a beast. And he get on my nerves. Bro, we got people that get on people's nerves. We got Dwight. He gonna piss people the off. I love that. We got Rondo. He gonna piss people the off. I love that. And we got DJ. He muscle. Man, come on. It might be a dub for us. I ain't gonna hold you.
I know, right?
It might be a dub for us.
Oh, I thought you said dud.
A dub.
I thought you said dud, bro. I was like, yeah.
I'm thinking it's gonna be a dub. And I think LeBron got some shit up his sleeve too.
Even LeBron's getting up there, you know what I mean?
And it don't look like it.
Okay, so I got a question. I want to talk about LeBron's hair.
Stop hating on that man's hair, man. Let him do his thing. Let him live his best life.
I just want to talk about his hair, man.
Hey, man. Let him do his thing.
Why don't you want to talk about LeBron's hair?
You wanted to talk about LeBron's hair.
No, I said, why don't you want to talk about LeBron's hair?
Oh, we can talk about it, but let him do his thing.
I'm not hating on LeBron. Look, anybody that's watched my channel, understand that I am not a hater. I've never been a hater. I always tell everybody, don't hate, participate. Go ahead and, I love success. That's a successful man.
Right.
You know what I mean? My understanding came from nothing. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? Oh, man. By all means, you know? Sure. But, so yeah, no, definitely not hating, man, but it is funny.
Do more NBA highlights for me? Nah. Stop hating on the man.
You know, this is my show, bro. Hey, put some more highlights for me, dog. So NBA highlights, please. Please, my man, please.
T-Got.
So you a Chargers fan too?
Nah, I ain't doing that though. I already got enough of that. It's been over for y'all since college.
Hey, put his music video on, dude. Just keep him entertained. You really gonna ignore the fact that I just picked the Dolphins?
1-4, yeah, that's wild. You're really out of control.